Hi, this is Coach Rose Ann and welcome to Peso Sense for Everyone. So, bakit daw delikado ang utang kung wala kang plano? Not all debt is bad. May tinatawag tayong good debt at bad debts. Sa good debts, ito yung utang na ginagamit natin para sa pag-improve ng future mo like for education or investment na may return. Sa bad debts naman, yung utang na panggastos, sa luho, lifestyle, or bagay na bumababa agad yung value. Ang real danger kapag walang plano ng pagbabayad kahit maliit na utang. So, pwedeng lumaki, tumubo, at magpa-stress sa'yo. So, utang is not the problem, but lack of plan is the problem. And that's me, bringing Peso Sense to everyone. Ikaw, may utang ka ba ngayon? Good debts or bad debts? Comment down below.